Florida has always been a special place for me. It's where I live and raise my family. There's no other place like it in the world. It's close to my heart, and as a Floridian, I understand the uncertainty that comes with hurricane season. At Florida Home Improvement Associates, we provide solutions throughout Florida to keep your family safe. With impact doors and windows that are not just strong, but enhance the beauty of your home while being energy efficient. For over 45 years, we've been a leader providing and installing quality windows and shingle roofs to protect families like yours from nature's worst. It's who we are and what's made us grow to become the largest home improvement contractor in Florida. Sure, you've heard it a million times. We stand behind our work. But this is different. We build trust, the kind that can only be gained by the quality of work that consistently meets expectations and exceeds them. The kind of trust earned from our crew of installers that are fully dedicated to only Florida Home Improvement Associates. And every product is backed by tremendous warranty options designed to give you peace of mind for many years. We take great pride in our work and service. More importantly, we feel everybody should have access to our services and products. That's why we forged a solid relationship with Ygrene.
Thanks, Tat. Ygrene's single mission is to tear down barriers to financing energy efficient and storm protection home improvement projects. How can we do that? We provide 100% financing with no money down, based on your home's equity, all in a simple, streamlined qualification process. It's the way it should be, because every family should have access to protection.
Solid relationships, like the one we have with FHIA, are the key to Ygrene's success. We appreciate their quality work and their commitment to service. Together, FHIA and Ygrene provide you with the products, service, and financial solutions to improve your home and keep your family safe.